guys, it's Sheldon here with Beard and Brews. So I'm gonna make a real quick video. I'm tired. It's 1:30 a.m. I just want to get home. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a shot for you guys. It's gonna be called a Brain Hemorrhage. So with this drink, you want peach schnapps. You want Bailey's. And you want grenadine. So these three drinks, what you're going to do, is take a shot glass, fill it up about 60-70% of the way. See that? About 60-70%. Now we're gonna layer. Some people layer with a spoon, some people don't. So how I layer is I got the Bailey's. Take your shot glass, tilt it as much as you can, put the pourer up against the side of the glass, and start pouring real slow. I'm a little low on Bailey's, aren't I? Yep. Just let that spin out. What you got is you got your peach on the bottom, Bailey's on top. So once you get that, you want to get your grenadine. Just put a few drops in the middle. Boom. Boom. There you go. You have one brain hemorrhage. Get you a little closer up to you. See if I can get you to focus in. Oh, there we go. One brain hemorrhage. Really cool looking drink. It doesn't taste the best, and you can't let it sit or curdle. So, cheers, happy 4th, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe if you can. Night all.